Years ago, a mechanic told me that if you had a radiator leak, you could fix it with an egg, just cracking it into the cap, and it would seal up. So let's see if that actually works. Well, we've warmed up enough for the thermostat to open up. Let's check it out. Yeah, you can see when I squeeze this hose, I can feel some pressure. It's also hot. So it's definitely flowing through. Well, let's look underneath. Yeah, it's raining down here. Oh, especially out through that hole right there. All right, it's the next morning. Let's take a look inside of here. See what we got. Well, you can definitely see the yolk is still in there. It looks like the egg cooked a little bit, but maybe that's why it didn't do his job. See if I can get that out, and we'll try a scrambled egg. Delicious. Ah. All right, I just pulled this into my garage. Just take a look underneath. Now, if you remember, it was actively dripping. Now we do have the drips forming, but it's not dripping nearly as much as it was. So that's actually pretty amazing. It does work. I mean, it's not a permanent fix, but it's going to buy you some time if you really need it. Alright folks, if you ever have to try this, just make sure you scramble your eggs before you drop them in.